Choosing the best money-making applications for quick cash is critical for your business. The best money-making applications can help you achieve your goals, from micro-investing to cash rewards. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. In this video, I ranked and reviewed the 17 best money-making applications for quick cash, as well as my top 5 picks, so you can choose the best one for you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Did you know there are numerous simple ways to earn money online using your smartphone? Making money applications can help you do just that. Every day, the average smartphone user spends 4 hours and 30 minutes on their device. While you could spend this time browsing social media and news websites, you could instead use it to earn money. Arrived Homes is my top recommendation for making money with an application. The application's concept is that you can buy property shares and then earn a rental income as a shareholder. Furthermore, you will see a return on your investment if the property appreciates in value. Arrived also handles all of the property's maintenance and upkeep, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Arrived is the application for you if you want consistent monthly income without investing in a long time-consuming project. Browse their portfolio for a property that interests you and start earning money right away. Survey Junkie allows you to earn extra money with surveys by influencing brands by sharing your opinion. It assists you in taking surveys tailored to your profile and rewards you with virtual points. Your virtual points can then be redeemed for e-gift cards or transferred to PayPal. You can deposit funds directly into your bank account. You can also receive cash outs via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and other methods. It sells gift cards from companies such as Amazon, Sephora, iTunes, Starbucks, Walmart, Target, and Groupon. You can see how long it takes to complete a survey and how many points you can earn. M1 Finance offers a variety of financial tools to assist you in managing your spending, investing, and borrowing. It also helps you manage and rebalance your portfolio. Furthermore, its intelligent automation provides you with the best instruments for investing and the cheapest options for borrowing money. You can open a credit line for as little as 2% interest with a $10,000 investment. It also allows you to earn 1% on every dollar spent. M1 Finance also provides an APY that is 25 times the national average. It allows you to earn the same amount in 2 weeks that you would have earned in a year from a large bank. You can invest in both morning and afternoon markets once you have more than $25,000 in your investment portfolio. It provides services without charging management or investment commissions. Acorns is a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest the spare change from your daily purchase. Create an account in minutes and start building your own diverse portfolio by investing in stocks or bonds. You can start with as little as $1. Acorn allows you to invest in exchange-traded funds, asset classes, and over 7,000 top-tier stocks and bonds. Don't be concerned about security either. It offers bank-level security, 256-bit encryption, and 2-factor authentication to keep your money safe. It also teaches you about the nuances of investing through detailed articles and videos. Acorns later is a feature that allows you to automate your investments and build a healthy corpus for retirement in just a few minutes. Acorns also has a support team that includes qualified advisor who can assist you in achieving your financial goals by investing in the appropriate funds. Wikibuy allows you to shop from the most affordable websites and stores. After you install it on your browser, its database connects you to e-commerce stores that provide the best discounts and deals on your purchase. Wikibuy's user-friendly mobile application allows you to scan barcodes and find stores that sell the same product at a lower price. It also automatically adds coupon codes and credits for purchases made on sites like Walmart and eBay. You can also earn rewards by shopping at its partner merchants and vendors. Wikibuy's browser add-on searches thousands of websites to find the best deals and prices. It also provides iOS and Android mobile applications for scanning barcodes, finding the best deals, and shopping on the go. Airbnb provides a platform for you to rent out your empty room, condo, or any other property to make quick money. You can list your property on the accommodation aggregator's website and reach billions of people worldwide. Because Airbnb is such a well-known platform, you won't have to worry about marketing or promotion. Airbnb handles everything for you, from marketing to bookings. You can easily get a booking and earn money from your vacant property. Airbnb covers every booking with $1 million in property damage protection and $1 million in accident insurance to keep your home and belongings safe. You can also use Airbnb to share your experiences and lead local tours. You can also supplement your income by providing additional services such as dining, transportation, and cultural activities. You can virtually take people on a tour of your local tourist attractions, culinary experiences, and culture. Unlike hotels, you have complete control over your hosting days. You can turn off bookings on its app for days when you don't want to host. Turo is a peer-to-peer car-sharing service based in the United States that allows you to rent out your sports car, truck, or anything else. If your car spends more time in the garage than on the road, Turo can help you make some extra money. You can rent out your car to Turo users by listing it on the Turo app. You can use its calculator to figure out how much money you could make each month by renting out your car. According to the website, you can earn an average of $706 per month. Turo is available in 5,500 cities across Canada, the United States, and the United Kingdom. In order to make you feel more secure about your vehicle, it includes protection against theft and physical damage in its contract. In addition, it includes $750,000 in liability insurance. Turo displays both guest and host feedback. It assists you in selecting appropriate passengers for your vehicle. Turo allows you to set your car's daily price. Allow Turo to set the most appropriate price to attract more bookings. Robinhood is a fee-free investing platform that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency trading. It gives you a free stock after you sign up and link your bank account to assist you in building your portfolio. You can invest in blue-chip stocks like Google and Microsoft through Robinhood. Let us say you have $10 and want to invest in Google and own some of its stock. If you want to get into the cryptocurrency market, Robinhood is also a great option. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrency can be purchased and sold. You can make cryptocurrency trades in small amounts. Furthermore, it provides a user-friendly experience to help you trade stocks easily. You will have immediate access to the funds redeemed from your sales. It provides an easy-to-use iOS and Android mobile application that allows you to trade and invest in real time from anywhere. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.